In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add email signature in Outlook. So first of all, click on New Mail on the Home tab. When you click on it, then you will see this option of signatures. So we need to click on this icon. Now click on signatures, and here we need to provide the name of our signature. So I want to add signature for my work. So I need to type work here. Now enter your data in this section. So I have copied it, so I need to paste it here, and you can see this is my signature data. If you want to bold something, then just select that portion and then click on this icon, then your text will be bolded, but I don't want to do it. You can customize everything here. You can also change the font color of your text. You can even add some images. So let's say I want to add this signature image, then I can select it and then hit open, and you can see the signature image has been added here. But I don't want to add an picture, so I'll just delete it here. Now to save the signature, we need to tap on save, and then our signature will be saved. Now to set the signature as our default signature, so that if you send an email in future, then this signature will automatically comes in our email. So for that, we need to come to this section where we can simply select our signature like this, and then this signature will be used as our default signature for future mails. Now to save these changes, we need to again click on save. Now if I go back from here and start a new mail, you can see the signature data has been already inserted on my mail, so that I don't need to type everything manually. And that's how you can add signatures. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.